In 1998, Electromedia gave a voice to their prestigious Audison amplifiers through the Hertz loudspeaker line. As proved by the various awards presented by the specialized press and by their fans' enthusiasm, in only a few years Hertz rose to be considered a reference in the international speaker marketplace. New standards were set in mobile sound reproduction. Differing completely from the conditions found in the home environment, the Hertz R&D team has a deep knowledge relating to troublesome automobile acoustics. Able to translate parameters such as FS, CMS, and MMS into real-world results, they satisfy the user's expectations for reference sound quality. Let's take a close look at how the ML1600 was designed and developed. The first step is designing the elements from which the speaker will be based on: basket, motor assembly, and the speaker cone itself. Die-cast alloy was used for the ML1600 basket. Aluminum has excellent mechanical characteristics and encourages the designer's creativity. The choice of a neodymium magnet allows a reduction in the size of the motor assembly, and due to its small size avoids the negative aspects of sound reflections off the back of the cone. The imaginative hands-free drawings are then subjected to the technical rigors of the CAD drawing process. To confirm the performance of these drawings, all the mechanical components are tested with simulation software. The use of this simulation, combined with the designer's experience, allows development of innovative technical solutions for problems such as inductance modulation, harmonic distortion, and cone breakup modes. Every part of the loudspeaker is optimized through this process. Our analysis reveals the magnetic flux inside the gap and field lines looks perfectly symmetric. The cone geometry and material, along with the balanced electroacoustic parameters, are being studied. After finalizing the drawings and preparing the molds for the various parts, production of a prototype can begin. The freshly manufactured pieces are examined and tested. Outfitted with high-precision test equipment, the laboratory carefully studies the prototypes in a quick, efficient manner. Because of the objective and exhaustive listening tests carried out in both the actual car environment and in more standard sound room conditions, it is possible to confirm that the sophisticated computer modeling is agreeable with the listener. More than 35 types of cone materials differing in terms of mixture and percentage of various natural additives were evaluated for the ML1600. Using the most advanced standards, the Hertz R&D division uses cutting-edge measurement equipment to analyze every single technical aspect of the component. To ensure a product with thrilling performance, no detail is overlooked or neglected. Listening and measurements do not always agree with one another. Using a stroboscope, the speaker's dynamic response can be analyzed. There is no test instrument that can judge absolute sound quality. Hertz loudspeakers are exhaustively tuned through long listening and optimization sessions. When every part of the speaker is approved by the engineers, a few production samples are manufactured. All of these pieces are laboratory tested according to international IEC rules. Installing and using these components in demo cars allows confirmation of their functionality, reliability, and performance in real-world conditions. Hertz pays attention to every detail of a product. The look, acoustical quality, and its reliability are all important factors to be considered. This provides enthusiasts with components which are not only technically superior, but represent the passion and love for sound that the Hertz team shares with you. The ML1600, a new voice in the car audio world.